Shiba Inu could see significant price increase thanks to PayPal integration. Based on the meme-inspired cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu, SHIB, could see a significant price increase due to its integration into the PayPal payment system. On May 2, the financial technology company MoonPay announced the start of a collaboration with PayPal, allowing users of the service to purchase Shiba Inu, Bitcoins, Ethereum, ETH, Solana, SOL, and dozens of other digital assets with fiat currency. Additionally, through the partnership with MoonPay, PayPal customers will soon have the ability to sell digital assets. These new services are currently only available to residents of the United States, but they will become available to citizens of the United Kingdom and the European Union in the future. With over 426 million active PayPal users, the addition of Shiba Inu and other coins to the payment system could significantly increase cryptocurrency trading volume and boost their popularity. Demand for SHIB sharply decreased after the March pump. However, the resurgence of trading activity is expected to benefit the market. On May 1, the price of Shiba Inu, like many other digital assets, reached a local bottom, rebounded from it, and started to rise. By May 4, the token had risen by 28%, however, during subsequent correction, the coin's price dropped by 7%. Nevertheless, the value of SHIB fluctuates above the bearish trendline that emerged in early March. Considering the current market situation, it can be assumed that the cryptocurrency's price will decrease by 7% to $0.0000226, then rebound from the support barrier and begin to rise. Tesla adds Dogecoin to list of payment methods. The electric vehicle manufacturer, Tesla, has officially added the meme-inspired cryptocurrency Dogecoin, Doge, to its list of accepted payment methods. On May 4, the company updated its website to include information that Dogecoin is accepted as payment for some products in the Tesla store. As before, Doge can only be used to purchase merchandise. As an experiment, the organization began accepting Dogecoin for goods in January 2022, and apparently, the testing was successful. The Dogecoin market practically did not react to the news of the final integration of the cryptocurrency into the Tesla platform, as the coin depreciated by less than 1% over the past day. The bullish trend that emerged on May 1, which caused Doge to rise by 42%, was driven by positive sentiment in the cryptocurrency market and whale activity. However, despite the impressive pump, it is too early to declare the end of the bearish trend that started at the end of March. During the correction on May 5, the price of Dogecoin fell below the descending trend line, failing to hold above this barrier. Therefore, if buyers do not take the initiative, the price of Doge will again decline and retest the bottom reached on May 1. Group of clients to sue Coinbase over sale of securities. The plaintiffs alleged that Coinbase intentionally and repeatedly violated California securities laws since its inception in 2009. The interests of the group of clients from California and Florida are represented by the law firm Scott + Scott. The plaintiffs demand the termination of the agreement with the exchange and compensation for alleged losses, as well as a court order to cease the activities of the trading platform. Representatives of the exchange called the lawsuit legally baseless and lacking evidence. Coinbase insists that the sale of cryptocurrency on the secondary market, i.e., to retail customers, does not meet the criteria for securities transactions. Earlier, Coinbase lawyers filed a complaint against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. They argue that transactions involving digital assets that do not impose obligations on the initial issuer cannot be considered investment contracts. Bitcoin's price will hit a new high if it surpasses $67,500. Analyst Matthew Hyland believes that Bitcoin's price will reach a historic high if it breaks through the resistance barrier at the $67,500 mark. If we don't break through the barrier at $67,500 immediately, a reversal pattern, an inverted head and shoulders, which we often see, will form on the chart within a month. This structure will serve as an excellent foundation for upward movement, Hyland wrote. Meanwhile, analyst Willie Wu believes that the Bitcoin market will maintain an upward trend as long as the asset's price exceeds $59,500, as this mark is where the one-day moving average line passes. If the market enters a flat phase, trader titan of crypto notes, the BTC price will subsequently increase even more due to a long period of accumulation. Animoca Brands has announced the launch of a gaming token on the Bitcoin network. According to Animoca Brands' official announcement, the token BLIF, created on the Rune standard, will become an asset of the Opal Protocol project. The initiative is supported by platforms such as Magic Eden, Sverse, Horizon Labs, and Alex. Vincent Marty, Director of Investment Products at Darewise, admits that the conglomerate of firms will strive to gain a share of the Web3 market, which is expected to grow from $3.19 billion in 2024 to $16.3 billion in 2028. Animoca Brands has also announced a partnership with Sakuru Labs, a project focused on developing the second-layer network Sakuru, with the goal of developing Web3 games. Earlier, Animoca Brands announced that it had become the largest validator of the TON network blockchain platform thanks to investments. There have been no leaks of personal data from Bitfinex crypto exchange clients. Paulo Ardoino stated that the announcement made by hackers on April 25 is simply false. Unknown individuals claim to have hacked the trading platform and obtained 2.5 terabytes of personal data from 400,000 Bitfinex clients. According to the technical director, only a small portion of the email addresses published by the scammers are actually associated with the exchange's clients. In the case of a leak, the match should have been 100%. Hackers have not contacted the platform's management over the past few days. If they had real information, the hackers would have demanded a ransom through our bug bounty program, submitted a support ticket, email, or message on X, Ardoino said. Elliptic has applied a new algorithm to detect money laundering through bitcoins. Elliptic representatives utilized research from the MIT-IBM Watson AI lab. The project team insists that the deep learning algorithm is capable of identifying entire chains of operations using bitcoins for money laundering, relieving the project team from the need to identify individual transactions. As a result, out of 50 suspicious transactions, 14 were confirmed to be related to money laundering through bitcoins. The name of the cryptocurrency exchange whose operations were used for the test is not disclosed. Additionally, the algorithm identified several cryptocurrency wallets used by individuals on the dark net. According to Elliptic experts, blockchains in general facilitate the use of machine learning for better analysis of suspicious transactions. Earlier, Elliptic specialists reported that the North Korean hacker group Lazarus had begun using the cryptocurrency mixer Tornado Cash, which is sanctioned by the US, again to cover their transaction traces.